guys, it's Pooja Bera and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great and staying absolutely safe at home. Since you guys know, I was on a Leh Ladakh trip. That trip gave me immense tan. As you guys could see, my skin color have changed drastically. Now I was not aware that such cold regions could also give you tan because of change of climate and water. I used to always think only sunny regions can give us great tan. Since I'm back to Mumbai, I think I need to take care of my skin. For today, I'll be making use of Ikai Organic Fruity Surprise Face Mask. Now, face masks are the best boosters to make your skin glow. And since this one is the organic one, I'm really excited to try. In the past, I've tried their other variant face mask, so I was really sure that this product is going to give me a great glow. But before that, make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe and also press the little bell icon. And let's quickly dive straight into the video. I really love the packaging of this product. It looks quite promising. Actually, I'm planning to go out like for a dinner or something, and I want that instant glow because my skin looks pretty dull right now. So I'll be trying out this face mask. Now the best part about this face mask is it is skin sensational and it is organic and it contains farm fresh super fruits as a part of ingredient. I don't know, for some reason I find this face pack very yummy. Oh god, look at the texture. The texture is very creamy and I guess it has blueberry inside it, and I absolutely love blueberry. Looking at it, I feel like eating this. I don't know, I just feel it. Anyways, I'm going to apply it on my face for good 15 minutes and then we are going to rinse it off. So let's quickly do this. But before that, I just want to remove my makeup. So just give me a minute. Alright, so this is how my bare face looks like. So we have our face pack right here. We are going to apply it. Have you guys noticed my skin feels so fresh after applying this face mask? It is all nourished. Now this brand is organic. This is cruelty free and it is skin friendly, which is why I love using products from Ikai. You guys could also top the face mask with a face oil from Ikai. I usually love to do that and this is what I have done right now as well. My skin feels really glowy. Now I know I have to do few more sittings to get rid of all this tan. Anyways, I just wanted to share my love for this product, and the links to this product will be in the description box below. Make sure you guys check it out. And yeah, that is it for today's video. I'll catch you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.